What's up, guys? Today I'm about to be doing a bunch of stuff. So you guys know the car is finished. I've been doing data logging with it, make sure everything is running right. So what we're doing today is I gotta change the oil out of the car. I just spent mad money and time building this thing, so the least I could do is put fresh oil and filter in it. So I'm gonna change the oil, and then I'm gonna do some data logging and send it over to Gabe. If you guys don't know who Gabe is, that's the owner at Pedro's Performance. He's the man behind the computer who's doing all the tuning and stuff. So I'm gonna do some logging and send it over to him and let him work his magic. So you guys can see I'm sitting in the car right now. Got the oil and stuff down there. Got my computer ready to go for logging. I haven't fired it up yet. He sent me a new file. I just flashed it on the car. So I'm gonna get the cold start so you guys can hear. So I'm gonna go set this damn camera up outside somewhere. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Who remember that car? The clutch making all that noise. That shit is loud. But anyways, guys, I'm about to go do the oil change, and then I'll catch you guys in a bit. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'm about to change the oil out of the car now, and then we're gonna go do some logging and stuff and send it over to Gabe and stuff. So I'm about to change the oil real quick, and then we'll go from there. file again, so I'm gonna let it idle for a couple minutes, let it get fully warmed up, and then I'm gonna hit the road and do a few pulls. This thing takes a lot of logs, a lot of dialing and stuff. It takes a lot of time to get this setup running right, so it's gonna be a while before we could do any good pulls in the car, anything, which I'm not in any rush at all, so yeah. Yo, that shit nuts, yo, fuck.